Find out tomorrow what factors led to a deadly plane crash killing a local trooper's son. The NTSB's field investigation is over after the plane went down last week in Batesville, Arkansas. This Wednesday, the family and friends of Craig Meyer will honor his life. They talked to Eyewitness News 5's Kimberly Lohman today in Chickasha.
Her daddy loved her so much, more than anything.
One day, 7-month-old Isabella will read the letter written in her baby book. Her father's promise to always be there.
I couldn't have asked for a better husband, and I feel so blessed to have had him in my life for the 10 years I did. We had more love in that 10 years than some people will have in a lifetime. That's why I'm going to hold on to.
One day, 4-year-old Abby will loosen her grip on her uncle's picture.
She started crying. And she said, I miss my Uncle Craig. And I said, well, honey, you can tell him you love him. And she said, I love you, Craig. And then she sat there for a minute and she said, Mom, he told me he loved me too.
One day, Beth Ann and Stuart won't tear up every time they recall their son's goodbye.
He reached down and gave me a hug and a kiss, and Stuart a hug and a kiss, and told us bye. And so that's our last. You can't ask for better than that.
One day, when Isabella outgrows her flight jacket and she's big enough to rock on her daddy's wooden plane, she'll find out why he built this in the backyard and what it meant to the family the day he didn't come home.
Without a doubt, you know, he went to heaven doing what he loved to do.
One day in Chickasha, Kimberly Lohman, Eyewitness News 5.
And if Craig Meyer's flight had made it back to Texas, he would have hit the magic number 1,500 as in flight hours. It's a benchmark for a pilot who wants to fly commercial airplanes. It was also a goal Craig had dreamed about since childhood.